Welcome back, everyone. Joe here. Hope everyone's doing well. It's been a while. Happy New Year. So we're back at my brother-in-law Chris's house. We're over here getting ready to cut down these trees. We're looking to probably take down these smaller ones in here, and then we'll come and grab these bigger ones. Now, for you pro guys, you know that's probably not big to you at all. That's probably like baby trees like these ones are to us. But yeah, we're going to clear a lane so that when we're getting ready to take down these bigger trees, it would be a lot easier. Last time when we were cutting, I believe I was on this tree, and the camera didn't grab it, but I tripped and fell with the chainsaw. It was already locked, but I tripped and fell with it. I mean, it was off, but still, that's not the case. I did fall with the chainsaw, which, you know, it happened. So safety first, we're going to get all this underbrush out, and then we're going to start piling it in the backyard. And then from there, we're just going to go ahead and burn it. We got a bag of Ready Light, Match Light charcoal, and we're just going to get a bunch of that stuff burning. So hopefully we can get to, I mean, if we can get to back here, it would be pretty great. I don't want to be too over eager, but I think we can get to probably this rock right here. If you guys see that rock, I'm assuming we could probably get all this underbrush out of here and then start knocking down some of these bigger trees. Now, the bigger trees, Chris wants to go ahead and split, so we might actually get to this rock, and the few bigger trees that we do take down, maybe we'll just start splitting them and getting this stuff split and ready to rock and roll. He's getting the chainsaw started up. He's getting that Bilt hard TNA 006 or 0006. I'll get you that. I'll put that down here. And the Echo CS590, both of them, he's getting fired up for the first time this morning. And then hopefully we'll be able to get the tractor here in a few days too. So, like always, guys, hope you enjoy, and we'll get to it now. What if we put some charcoal at the bottom of that garbage pail, that metal one you had? That'd probably take too long.
I mean, we can. Is this a vine?
Yeah, it's like a grapevine. La, 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 la.
What's up?
I was just making the noise of the machine. All right, so slight change of plans here. Chris was burning as I was cutting. It's just taking a long time. So far, this is 2 days. I mean, we only started like half an hour, 45 minutes ago. So we called Sunbelt Tool Rental. We also called Home Depot. It looks like we're going to try to go ahead, if not tomorrow, sometimes next week, schedule and rent one of their 6-inch, I think they're a Bandit wood chipper. So we're going to go start clearing the smaller brush stuff out. We're going to keep going with that, and then we're just going to make piles like this, but we're going to keep the piles inside this wood line here so it's neat and out of the way so it's not in everyone's face. And then that way we can go ahead, rent out that machine, start it up, and hopefully within the day just chip everything, just run everything just through it and throw the chunks back into here. And then they also have a stump grinder, so we might go ahead and get the stump grinder too. And then these stumps, we'll cut them flush to the ground. We'll be able to split them still. And then we'll come in with that stump grinder and stump grind. You know how stump grinder goes. We'll stump grind that, stump grind, whatever the bigger ones that we have, that will get stump grinded, stump. You get the point. It'll get hit with the machine. So for right now, like we said, we're just going to go in here, get all this junk out of the way, lay it down neatly. We're going to make brush piles like this, probably a little neater than that. If this one survives, we might just burn this one because it's been drying for so long. But the rest of the stuff we're going to lay down neatly so we can get in here and get that machine. And it will just save so much more time instead of hauling this stuff into piles, breaking these piles up, tossing them over the fence, and then breaking them down again. So that's what we're going to do. We'll get this little guy out. You want to hit it with that one? Oh yeah, look at how loose that changes.
Yeah, I was just going to try to tighten that.
Alright, what do you want to do? You let me know.
Should we just leave them that length and just put them in that pile? This way, or you think we should cut them?
You have a ruler? No way that's 6 inches.
What?
That little guy. In circumference.
It's probably like 4.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, I would probably leave it that long. Stack the poles up in a spot. Do you want to clear out this area too while we're at it?
Yeah.
Clean this up and then we can stack like the poles here and the brush there.
Yeah, that's fine. Perfect.
All right, so you want me to just start hacking these guys out?
The logs?
Yeah, these like these like,
like the
I don't know what
saplings?
this is. Yeah, exactly. I'll try to drop them this way. And then what we could always do is I can run back, if not today, maybe tomorrow, so we're going to have to film it, but we'll get the Ryobi because that has the cheapest blades. I mean, I could buy a 3-pack for like 20 bucks, and we could hack most of these as close to the ground. But until we're there, I mean, I think we just... Because when did you start that brush pile?
That?
Yeah.
When I first cleared that out, probably a month ago.
Okay, so there's probably nothing in there then. As in like, as like snakes.
I was just standing on top of it.
Yeah, then we're good. Yeah. Then I think, if you're cool with that, then I think we'll clear out this brush area up until that rock, and then we can put all the poles here and all the actual brush there, and then we get that chipper. We can park it here and just blow chips in the spot.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Then this will be good. All right. I'm going to try to get these ones to head to you, all right? Like this little guy is going to go that way. You want to push it?
Got that vine. Cut it here.
I don't want, in case it comes back, I don't want it to come and get you.
Cut it a little more?
What?
Cut it a little more?
Oh, that was on the vine. Push it a little bit.
Right.
Towards me. Try to push this one this way, okay? Ah!
On.
I'm gonna make a face of it. Watch the leg, watch the leg. Which way is this one?
If you cut it lower, it'll probably go that way.
All right, then you.
I'll push it.
Yeah, let me. You stomp that stuff out. Good. All right. You good? Yeah. Yowza. That was a close one.
Cut that. Cut it like here. Look at that saw.
Huh? I can't.
I'm gonna grab that saw.
I think if we just get these like 1 or 2 junky things out of here around this big tall one and this tall one, and I think we could honestly just mow through getting, because we don't need to make like a 75-foot pile of brush. We can make a few piles of brush and then keep those, you know. All right, guys, we're at the operating room. I think the Bilt hard, we're not sure if it finally had its first real issue. Chris just ripped out the pull string like an animal.
It's from neglect.
We're hoping that we don't probably have to buy a new pull string, so this is what it looks like. It's supposed to be inside there if you don't know. Unless it's a new model. And then someone's going to ask and comment, what size is that? What do you got, a Torx or a...
Allen K4?
All right, in all my years of doing this, I think it goes on that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there it is. You can see it. I don't know if that other little piece that we can't find is really important, to be honest with you, because it looks like it just gets restrung. That's probably that nut that's in there. Yeah. What is that?
Yeah, it's a Phillips.
Let me see. Because then someone's going to want to ask. That's what it looks like. Oh, what the devil? Where is it going?
So,
Oh.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Got a pick? You think we should burn this end or? No, it should go through. Figure it out. You got a needle nose? I'm just gonna shove all this in there and see how it does. Can you grab that in there? There you go. Alright, now we gotta make one of those special kind of knots. You got a pair of dikes? Yeah, or whatever they call them these days. I don't know. Politically correct terminology. Oh, it's gonna be an extra short throw. How's it freaking knuckle? Jesus Christ. Osteoarthritis. That's that guy on TV, William Devane, with my arthritis. Wasn't gonna let my golf game stop because of my arthritis. Yeah, no shot.com. Am I getting that back in there? I think my knot was too big. What the devil? What kind of tool is this? I don't want to break it.
Oh, that's fine.
So it's a special kind of knot I learned in Boy Scouts. When the weave blows. Pause.
It's the kind of knot you're supposed to.
Well, you don't just stop that. What?
No, I'll say it's the kind of knot you're not supposed to make.
Oh.
It wasn't that funny. That's why I stopped.
Oh, yeah, good job. Oh, no.
What?
Were we supposed to feed that through a certain hole?
Yeah, it's got to go through here.
No, I think it goes through the part where you blew
Right here,
out.
right here.
Yes, stupid. Look what we did.
No, hold on.
What do you mean?
We'll just cut this one to read.
No. No, this is already cut. That's a good sign. Gotta keep cutting it. By the time we're done, we got nothing left. Oh, man. Why didn't one of these guys tell us that? These guys on YouTube know everything. Everyone in the comment section. Okay, well, it's our first mistake where we didn't follow the rules. All right. Gets fed through there. Now we're never feeding that back in. You know that was a one-time shot. Shove it in here. Can you grab that? I think it's actually feeding through pretty good. Make another knot. By the time we're done with this, we cut 3 feet of that string off.
Try to pull it closer to
Yeah, walk it back. Do we have the knot that they had? It can't be any kind of fancy knot.
No, it's just a knot, but
because I feel like this is gonna slip out.
I just had it too.
It's all right. I'm not really stressing it.
I mean, it's super small. They must have used like a.
Yeah. How the hell did they get it that tight? Probably a machine. No way am I getting it.
AI knot.
Yeah, for real. No shot.com. Is that happening? Yeah, choke it. Ow! Damn it! Jesus Christ. There you go. That's why you get paid the big bucks. I got a freaking 3rd-degree rope burn on my hand. It's always good to have projects where you have side projects, side quests,
Yeah.
and then you lose all the freaking tools over all the parts.
And the momentum to work.
Yeah. We could end it here. It just could be a how-to video on how to replace your string on a Bilt hard TNA 00076. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah. Let me shove that. And then there was a screw.
Should be in that.
Nah, it's not no more. Oh, it's right here, I think. Yeah, probably that way.
This thing's gotta be wound up.
Oh, yeah.
No, it's...
Well, just pretend it's on here.
No, it's gotta go. It's gotta go here.
What has the spring tension? That piece or the thing in your hand?
This does, but see the groove?
Well, let's get this way.
It's gotta go.
And you pull it, so I think it's got to go this way, right?
Yeah, but this has
wait.
This has to wind it up.
That has it?
Something has to go here, like that. Okay, so there's a groove there. That's got to line up with that.
And then you say, what do I know? Because if you got it wrong.
What do I know?
Yeah, exactly. So I'm saying.
Because I can guarantee we're putting this on.
The wrong way, at least 3 times.
And we're going to have to take it off. That doesn't seem right.
No, it sounds too easy. Well, then I'll gently pull it, see?
Oh, that might be right, huh?
Yeah?
Well, we'll tighten it. See if it's got tension. If not, it's wrong.
It's always better to cut 5 times and measure once. It's generally how I do things. No, absolutely not. No, 0 tension. Well, it was a good saw while we had it. Like and subscribe if you want it. Oh, your sister's ass. I think we got to load it up on this sucker.
That's what we did.
Yeah, but there's no way it's not preloaded. You got to like...
That's what I mean.
Wait. Yeah. We're killing someone's soul out there watching us do this.
We're going to YouTube how to string this.
Watch a real YouTuber. If you want to know how to do this, watch someone who knows what they're doing, not Joe's Outdoor Experience, because clearly we have no idea. Tighten that baby down. Put it on the engine and let's see what happens. Where's the screw? That's a good place to keep it. Oh. We lost that thing again?
No.
If we lost it, I'm throwing this thing in the garbage.
I don't want to fix it, though.
Yeah, I'm really not. I'm like more concerned about what I'm about to eat for lunch than I am with this thing at this moment.
What do we do? Oh, it was there.
Oh, there it is. I knew it was there. Hey, little buddy. Something's not on. Wait. I think there's a little groove areas on here. Watch. You see these things? I think they got to match up with this thing.
The fins. No, those are spring loaded, so they're not gonna.
Well, we can move them up a little bit like that. You know, we might have been sitting on them. Nah. There you go. Pull it. All right, yeah. No, didn't go back in.
No.
Wait. Come back at you. You have no head.
No.
I'm gonna try to find that background. A lot of these guys who do things like this, they'll have like a whole math problem floating behind them. I'm gonna see if I can find that background. Do that over here. Here, hold a little tension on that real quick. Watch me stab myself in the chest. Oh God, nope, not doing it. Do it one more time.
Yeah, but nothing holds that. That's the problem.
What was clicking though? You YouTubing it?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll shout out that YouTuber. What channel is that?
Let me see if it works first. Hold on.
Bobby Bacala's chainsaw. You can hit the stop button, and then we're probably like 22 minutes long. So it's back up and working. Saw and the chainsaw. Hey, I think we're gonna need about like 5-6 feet because when we're feeding them in, I think if they're too short, our hands are gonna be by that thing, you know? Here, you come over here. Bilt's back, working great. Put a file on those. Put a file on that chain. Still the original chain from when we got it over a year ago. I have to buy it. Honestly, that should really be it unless you want to hit that top one again, right up there. And then we can start dragging these out. No, the one that cuts up. That's on. Yeah, yep. I'm gonna cut his leg up. There you go. That should be it. I think we just pile these up, and then anything shorter than that, I'm afraid of unless you want to hit this long one too, right here.
Oh yeah.
And then I think anything shorter than what we're doing, we'll be really running it too close to the
Chipper.
those knives on the chipper. Yeah. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never ran a chipper. So
I don't know either.
I'm just. That should be it. Alright guys, that should be it for today. We're going to just go ahead and clean up these piles. I'm not going to run my camera for you guys to see that. You kind of get the point, picking them up and just stacking them up. If you made it this far, if you don't mind hitting that like button, really appreciate you guys hanging out. And if you run a Bilt hard, let me know how you like it. If you had any problems, that's our first real problem with it. But Chris has the patience and the knowledge how to do it, so he ended up fixing it. And then I just went ahead and sharpened that chain as best as I can with that steel multi 3-in-1 sharpener. But like always guys, YouTube will leave a video right here that they think you're going to like the best, and there'll be another video right there. And see you guys on the next one. Bye.